Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures.
Timo comes to an old wooden bridge stretching across a rushing stream. The bridge creaks softly as the wind blows through the trees. Timo wonders whether it is safe to cross. An important word becomes useful: cautious. Cautious means being careful to avoid danger or mistakes. Timo places one foot gently on the bridge and tests each step. He holds the rope tightly and moves slowly across. Soon, he reaches the other side safely. His careful choices help him avoid trouble. Timo remembers that being cautious means thinking before acting. He learns that careful choices help keep him safe.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit VocabCartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.